So today we're going to show you how to lower your bike without any modifications, and all you need is a standard toolkit that comes with the bike itself, using one simple tool, and that will readjust your coilover, and you just spin it with that and you can lower your bike or make it higher. So we'll try that, and the rain is starting, so we have to move quick. And you need Allen keys to remove one of your fenders. So before the bike is lowered, I can reach the ground just fine, but I want it a bit lower. So we'll see the difference. So you start with taking off your seat. Sheet comes off. We moved location because the rain started. And then you grab your little tool. You can either there, but it's very uncomfortable. So we're gonna take off this little fairing, if you have the tool for it. Perfect fitment. I'm gonna open that real quick. So take out your bolt. You drop your fairing to the side. Then you grab your little thing, and then you grab this and just spin it. One, two, three. See, because it's painted, that's why it doesn't want to move us. Good. Very tight. 4, 5. Okay, that thing is back into place. And this is going to be the lowest setting now. Grab the far one. Oh. So now, as you can see, it's on the lowest setting. This is your highest setting, this is your lowest setting. And the bike is going to be a bit lower, and it's going to be more stiff. So it'll be better for you to take the turns and everything. So now we try to put the seat back on and see if it got any lower. I see, put that bolt in then. Then you put your seat back on. Slide it in there. Lock it in. And you can literally change the setting of the spring at the side of the road, like we are right now. And now we test it out. See if it's higher or lower. That's the bike on the maximum lowering setting, and it feels lighter between the feet. And you can see my feet. It's like very stirred. You know, if I stand up, it's lower by that much maybe, but but still. And it's supposed to be more stiff now. So that's how you lower your bike. I think every bike has the option, as long as you have your tool. This little thing, it's like on any coilovers. You just turn it, and that's it. Took me 2 minutes to lower the bike.